My fellow Americans, this is Liberation Day.
On April 2nd, President Donald Trump unleashed tariffs on the world, with Asia and Europe getting hit particularly hard. Trump has said he will apply a minimum 10% tariff on all exporters to the U.S. and slap additional duties on around 60 nations with the largest trading balances with the U.S. That includes substantially higher rates on some of the country's biggest trading partners. China, for example, now faces a tariff of at least 54%, effective April 9th. That's including an earlier 20% tariff Trump already slapped on China. Such a hefty levy could lead to a 90% decrease in exports to the U.S. by 2030. That's according to previous estimates by Bloomberg Economics. Vietnam is set to see a 46% duty on all its goods. That will likely affect the supply chains of major brands like Nike and Adidas, as the Southeast Asian nation is the largest supplier of footwear for both companies. Other parts of Asia were also not spared. Japan, South Korea, and India are also in the line of fire. And over in Europe, the European Union will see a 20% levy. Despite Trump's moves, Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent has urged countries to not retaliate.
I would advise none of the countries to panic. I wouldn't try to retaliate, because as long as you don't retaliate, this is the high end of the number.